What is good, everyone? I hope you guys are all doing well. It's Friday. Y'all know what's going on. You know what the deal is. It's time to get into the charts real quick. I don't care. I don't care what's happening. We're going to get into the charts real quick. We're going to do a fast review on what's happening out there in the crypto markets. We do have to touch base real quickly about traditional markets because it's just habit. And I think it actually is very, very relevant. But we're going to really not take too long in doing that. We're going to get on into the crypto markets. We're going to review some of the charts really, really quickly so that I can touch base with you guys all on Friday. In any case, I do hope you guys are all doing well. Let me make sure that it's doing well. I gotta check. Always gotta make sure that my audio is doing good because sometimes I screw that up. Guys, let's go ahead and jump on into it. But before I do, you guys know I gotta give a humongous channel sponsor shout out to Cero.network. If you guys don't know about Cero.network, you definitely should. Yeah, check it out. I was just perusing their roadmap here. But this is Cero.network, the blockchain for real yield, a decentralized ecosystem for protocols, builders, and Web3 users seeking sustainable fintech. Y'all know what's happening with Cero. If you don't, you're sleeping under a rock. Gains, baby. Gains, percent gains on the chart. Really, really love them to death. They've been supporting me and this channel about putting out content for a while now. No strings attached, no demands from them. They just said, Dove reached out. We got together. He was like, yo, Tech, I just really like what you do. I want to support it. I want people, to get more familiar with sustainable, maintainable practices within Web3. And so for that, I want to support you. And I was like, word, man. I already like Kadira. Let's do this. And so that's how it goes, guys. A really small sponsorship, but nonetheless, I also just re-roll it back into the ecosystem. So I'm never sell pressure with anything. Give me 1 second, though. That good hot coffee. I stake the vast majority of it and maybe take like $50 just because it's more of a social investment by Dev and myself back to the community. Love Kajira.network though. Nonetheless, enough of all that noise. I always just got to show them love, guys. Do yourself a favor. Check out what's happening on Kajira.network. Not financial advice, but life advice, friend to friend, peer to peer. I've been trying to tell y'all. That's all I got to say about that. With that being said, though, let's go ahead and jump on into the traditional markets. Let me go ahead and find out where that is. Give me 1 second here. I was looking at all kinds of stuff, guys. I was looking at bonds. I was looking at all kinds of things. Look at this. I was on the 5-year. Right here looking at bonds, guys. Let's go back up here. Just check out the Dow Jones on the daily time frame, down 1.24%. The NASDAQ is up actually 0.35%. If you want to call it up, it's basically about $50. The Russell is down yet again 1.24%. The SPX is down as well 0.62. Guys, we've been prepared for this, right? We've been prepared for this. How many times I've got to tell you guys? 200 SMA strategy. You guys know the zones down here, 25, 496. I've been telling y'all to take profits, right? Because we never know when things might reverse. We never know. So we got to lock in profits whenever we see them. Again, not financial advice, just something that I like to practice. I like to be a winner more often than a loser. And the only way to do that is to lock in profits. And so I'm giving you guys just subtle life advice, like at least consider it, right? Dow Jones 200 SMA strategy. If you falter, if you break down these ranges, which I will say, we broke the last stair step, but we were eyeballing that, right? We're keeping an eye on it. We've breaking down below. Guys, the next range that we could hold up is right around 31,458. The next one is going to be the previous lows in the past, which is around 29. It's about 28,865. And then we got our 200 SMA strategies, our prior and our current one. Our prior one is right around 27,457-ish. And then our next 20 years of price data is around 25,496, guys. Believe me. It's like what did Naruto used to say? Believe it. Believe it. I don't care what y'all say. I'm old as hell and I love watching the anime, guys. I'm 40-something years old, multimillionaire, and I still watch my anime. Like Naruto used to say, guys. Believe it. I'm telling you right now, if price actually takes us down to the 200. If it takes us down to these ranges, the 200 SMA strategy, along with my 4x4 dynamic DCA strategy, is going to be firing off. It's going to be firing off, and the first zone is going to be right around 20. Well, I take that back. It's probably going to be around a range of 29.5 and 27.6. This range right here. I'm going to be completely honest with you because I missed it last time. Somewhere in the middle of these two lines, and then the next of my 4x4 DCA strategy. So zone 2 is going to be right around 25,496. Let's move on from that. Though, because right now, traditional markets looking funky. Look at that. Market cipher B, momentum waves, RSIs, all clearly pointing down. I tried to tell y'all the other day. the other day. Let's move on. Let's move on. Right now, we're sitting on for the NASDAQ, this point of interest, which is right around 14,166. We're literally sitting on it right now. If you guys don't believe me, check out that yellow line. I've been sharing it for a long time. A long time now. We're in the negative money flow. RSIs are pointing downwards. They're pinched together. Don't look good. Holy crap, my son just walked up behind me. What's up, guys? Look at that sneaky kid. Naruto style. High five, son. High five. Oh, he's getting crazy. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to make this quick. High five, son. Do it again. All right, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out. I'll be done real fast. Real fast. I'm going in just a minute. I got to touch base with the peoples, though. Guys, let's move on real quick because, see, my son, them are like, get out of here. The Russell is down 1.29%. We're testing these ranges. The previous lows, guys, it don't look good. It looked like it's going to come down even more. I'm just going to be honest with you guys. SPX. Guys, we were prepared for this cup and handle pattern. We're playing out the handle, right? We're playing out the handle, not to say that it has to play out, but if it does, yeah, let's go. Again, RSIs, momentum waves, everything, negative money flow don't look good right now. Let's move on from that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin also in the red today, down $500, give or take. It's 1.47% down on the day. I will say, though, we got to have our ebbs and flows. We just had a tremendous run upwards on the daily time frame. Consider taking profits if you got any position here, like we were showing you guys in the past, this top of the transparent box. We were pointing it out to you guys. And even when we hit the lick down here in our 4x4 DCA strategy, you guys got count. Check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. We hit that really, really good in some free and clear profits, guys. If you guys have taken any position in the past, over the past year and a half, consider taking profits, my friends, because we don't know. You never know. You never know, right? But right now, market set for B, we have a red trigger sell dot. We're in the positive money flow, but the RSIs are rounding downwards right here. So keep an eye out on that. Guys, I'm going to move really, really quickly because I don't have much time. I do have to go to a meeting. Let me move. Let's take a look, actually, some precious metals or PMs. Gold, $2,006. $2,006. This is up 1.1%, guys. Trying to make a push for new all-time highs. Platinum, basically flat right now, in a little bit of a red, 50 cents, but I'm going to call it flat. Silver up 1.31. You guys know I've been stacking silver. I told you guys, give me that silver. I like it. I don't care what y'all say. I'm stacking it. Negative money flow. RSIs are pointing upwards, though, here. Negative money flow. We got to be careful of that. But, guys, we got to get back in the range. We're testing the lower part of which was usually support in the past for us. It's not holding up as resistance. But if it can get back up in there, can get back above the 200 SMA, silver might have a good pop, $24, $26. Anyway, let's go on to copper. Copper is a phenomenal chart. Like, guys, I don't care. I told you guys before, copper might not be sexy to you guys. This is the monthly time frame. Look at copper. Look at copper. Look at this, right? Oh my gosh, this is a sexy chart. Even with the ebbs and flows, we could come all the way down to about $2.50 though. Be on the lookout for that. PAAS, $15. It's down 0.23%. Guys can hear my kids yelling. Let's take a look at the total market cap for crypto. It's down 1.42%. We're sitting now retesting on the monthly time frame, retesting our previous resistance line. If you guys can't see that, take a look here. Again, keep in mind this is the monthly time frame. So we're retesting that. That's good. We got to retest things, right? Let's go back to the daily time frame here. Going to Bitcoin. Again, guys, Bitcoin, like I'm being very real. We could come all the way down to 28 and we'd be absolutely fine. Still trend intact, long-term trend. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you guys the monthly all-time chart for Bitcoin, right? Long-term trend. We're still above it right now and getting close to that halving. Ethereum down 1.9%. It's down $34. Trading at $17.69. You guys know the deal. What I told you guys about Ethereum in the past before, still holding up true today, having some resistance on this white line, 1808. I told you guys before that's probably going to hold up as resistance. Lo and behold, look at that's playing out. We're going to move on to Atom. Atom below $7 again. Earlier on, I told my Discord that I was taking profits on some staking rewards. It's down 2.51%. I don't like the narrative. I don't like the fundamentals right now. I don't like a couple of things that's happening within or around the Cosmos Hub. Not to say that I'm bearish or not to try to say I'm spreading FUD, but it's down below $7, fighting for its life to stay at that range. $6.98. RSI is clearly pointing downwards. or rounding back downwards. Negative money flow. Been in negative money flow for a long, long time. We've been in negative money flow since July 24th. Not good. Juno right now, 23 cents. It's down 5.88. What goes up must come down. It's basically going to come back down and retest this previous resistance line, which was holding up for a long, long time. It came up to its previous support, got rejected off. It's probably going to come back down to its previous rejection. And see if it holds up as support going forward. We'll see what happens, right? Be on the lookout for that as well, guys. Evmos just getting faded, guys, down 2.42%. It's at 5 cents. Osmosis at 27 cents. It's down 0.26%. Doesn't look good, though. Does look like it's rounding on the on the SMAs. So be mindful of that. Link not given 2 Fs. It's still up today in the green, 0.76%. It's at $11. Let me see here. Oh, I can't forget about Akash. Akash having its ebbs and flows. Actually doing not too bad from its previous lows, though. So, it's down 0.6%. I took some profits on my secondary boards on that one as well, guys. Yeah, because I think it's going to come back down. Let's see here. That Link doing really, really great. Shout out to Timmy. He loves his Link. Let me move on, guys. I'm going to wrap this up real quickly. Injective not giving 2 Fs. It's up 11.29%, $13.50. Injective, one of the strongest charts in all of Cosmos, in all of crypto. Shout out to anybody holding Injective for the long term. I've actually considered, and I might do this here in just a second, taking some more profits here. I will say it does look like we might start a cup here of sorts, right? If you start a cup here, or you could say that it happened here, and we try to do this weird, I don't know, but I would like to take profits when it's up this much. Let me go on into Kajira. Kajira up 1.63% on KuCoin, or I'm sorry, CoinEx is up 1.78%. Look at this. Look at that. If you're on CoinEx chart, that's beautiful, right? If you're on the MEXC, guys, look at that. Shout outs to our channel sponsor, Kajira.network. Check them out. Don't fade the hype, guys. Don't fade the hype. I mean, you might. You could. You do you. I don't care. I love Kajira, guys. Shout outs to Kajira. But yeah, that's what I got going on right now. If you guys want to cover some other cryptos, definitely let me know. There's other ones that have seen some really good price action on the day. But as far as the Cosmos ecosystem goes, guys, that's what I got. I wish I could stay, but I wanted to just touch base with you guys and let you guys know what I'm seeing right now. And just really, I didn't really cover anything. I will say I think that we're going to have some downward sell pressure on a lot of these charts. I didn't really cover anything, just kind of give you guys a brief overview of what I'm seeing real quickly as far as the money flow, RSIs, and whatnot. I didn't do any TA or any kind of projections like that. I'm just kind of covering things and letting you guys know. Hey, shout outs to the Cosmos ecosystem. Shout outs to NFT Nashville, guys. If you guys are going to be coming to NFT Nashville, look at the shirt. Look at the swag. Look at the shirt. It's on point today. Guys, it's coming really, really quickly. Can't wait to see you guys there. Our sponsors are hyped. We got some merch. We got some great topics to talk about. We're going to have a lot of fun talking about NFTs, talking about the Cosmos ecosystem, talking about crypto in general. Really can't wait to see you guys there. Consider checking it out. Buying a ticket, it really would go a long way. It'd help us out. Humongous amount. It would help us out. But yeah, check them out, guys. Follow, like, subscribe. You guys know the deal. Have a happy Friday. Take profits. Be blessed.